Let's see how to calculate the square root. If we directly multiply the four numbers and plus 1, we will get a big number, which is hard to find the square root. Let's do it in a smart way. We make paste 9 and 12, and then 10 and 11. Let's go. So we get square root of 9 times 12, and then times 10 times 11 plus 1. 9 times 12 equals 108. 10 times 11 equals 110. So plus 1. At this point, we play a trick. 108 equals 109 minus 1 times 110 equals 109 plus 1 plus 1. Now we can apply the difference of squares formula. So we get 109 squared minus 1 squared plus 1. Cancel negative 1 and 1. Actually, we get square root of 109 squared, which is simply 109. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.